So welcome everyone. So today basically we discuss the next chapter, and that is cells. We have finished the previous chapter and I hope you have done the homework also. So today we start a new chapter which is called cells. Now what is cell? Cell is the basic building block of any material. Cells are the basic building block of any material, of a human being, of the bodies of any plants or animals. Cell is actually the basic structure. So cell was generally developed by, or was introduced by, or invented by Dr. Robert Hooke, who first tried to identify cell. What is cell? So these are some of the properties of cells which we'll be doing, and we'll be doing types of different cells. The notes you'll be getting in Google Classroom. The video I am sending you here, as today we have a recorded class. So let us see the properties of cells. So in the board it is clear to you that the properties of cells are, first an important property is the cells was first discovered by Robert Hooke. Cells was first discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1762. The cell is the basic structural unit of any organ. So if our body is made up of organs, organs are made up of different kinds of muscles, muscles are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of cells. So this is the basic criteria of a cell. Then we have different shapes and sizes of cells. Now size and shape determines. The size can be less, the size can be more. For example, cell of our bigger organs will be bigger, and cells of our smaller organs will be smaller. Cells are the complex living structures. You cannot see the cells normally. Cells are having some complex compositions by which our body or any body is formed. Cells can be observed under a microscope, obviously. Students, cells are very minute. You cannot see cells with your naked eye. Even some cells are of the shape of, are the size of 10 to the power minus 12 meter, which is in the picometer. Human body has trillions of cells. Not million, we have trillions. Our body is made up of different kinds of cells. Cells at the body, at the bottom of the body is different, cells at the front is different, cells of our brain are different, cells of our eye are different, everything is different. So cells are basically the building blocks from where our tissues have been made, from where our muscles have been made, from where our organs have been made. So these are some of the properties of cells. And the last but not the least, the important property is cells are of two types. One is unicellular and one is multicellular. Unicellular means single celled organisms. Those have only one cell. For example, amoeba. Amoeba is a structure you already got in class 7. It is made up of only one single cell. And multicellular, for example, human beings. We have many cells. So cells are classified as unicellular and multicellular. So basically these are the properties of cells. So today we will be writing properties of cells, the meaning of cells. In the next class we will start shape of cells. Presentation of everyone, please give to it timely. The list has been given to you and the presentation starts from 17 August. So please regularly give your presentation. So once again I repeat, cells were discovered by Robert Hooke. Cell is the basic structural unit of an organ, and different shapes and sizes are made up of cell. Cell can be a spherical shape, cell can be the shape of, suppose like this, cell can be the shape of, suppose the amoeba is like this. So cell can take out any shape. So cells are also unicellular and multicellular, and we have trillions of cells. Unicellular means single cell, multicellular means multi-cell. So please write down these properties, and notes will be given to you in the Google Classroom. Thank you for the recorded class. In the live class again, we will meet with the shapes of different cells. Thank you very much.